Hey guys, welcome back to another banger video. In DNA replication, the helicase enzyme unzips the genetic code. The polymerase enzyme unzips the DNA. The leading strand is going to build the complementary bases to the strand. It is continually being built. On the opposite side, the lagging strand is being built discontinually. A primase enzyme puts down the primer, and the primer is going to indicate that the DNA polymerase should start building. Now that it is done with the station and the glucose lays down another primer and the DNA polymerase builds another section, these sections are called Okazawa fragments. May not be pronounced correctly. These fragments will be connected by the ligase, which will take the place of the primer and lay down the actual nucleotide to connect the Okazawa fragments. In the end, there will be two identical pieces of DNA. So that's a rundown of what to expect with the first part of our protein synthesis project. I may have not pronounced everything correct, but enjoy the rest of this part. Hey guys, welcome back to Banger Part 2. So in protein synthesis, the DNA is unzipped by the helicase enzyme. Then the DNA comes to an RNA polymerase. The RNA polymerase is going to match up the non-coding strand with complementary mRNA pieces, building a sequence of mRNA which is identical to the coding or opposite strand. The mRNA is going to have useful pieces of information called exons that are going to be allowed to exit the nucleus. Meanwhile, the useless pieces are called introns. They are taken out of mRNA and they have to stay in a nucleus. The mRNA then leaves the nucleus and enters the cytoplasm, specifically the ribosome, with RNA. There is the tRNA, that connects the codon sequence of the mRNA, which contains arrive, place, and exit. Once the tRNA gets to the place location, it connects to the mRNA, releasing amino acids. This process continues to where the amino acid continues to be chained up. The initial tRNA leaves the next one as it enters the amino acids chain up. This process will continue until a step colon arrives and clears the amino acid sequence, leaving a polypeptide that folds in a particular way. The way it folds causes it to express a particular gene that the DNA coded for. The entire process is called centrodesma, going from the DNA to RNA during transcription, then LaRNA to protein during transcription.
Don't mind any mispronunciation of words. That is the end of the script. Vote for us as the best video. Don't hate, appreciate.